Hello YouTube, and welcome to my review of the Robot Damashii Gundam Exia Repair 2 add-on set. And it was a Bandai's Collector Shop exclusive. Therefore, on the secondhand market, it is pretty expensive. So, let's get into this review. And here is what you get out of the box. Let's do a little comparisons. Let's start down here with the shins. Now the front, they are pretty much the same. It's when you get to the back that you notice the differences. The Repair 2 has a little booster at the top, and the original does not. Moving on to the thighs. As you can see, the original has the purple in the front, and the Repair 2 does not. Going to the back skirts. Focus. The original has the two beam saber holders, whereas the Repair 2 does not, and it also has the elongated back skirt armor. Moving on to the arms. The original has these purple things again, just like the thighs, and the R2 does not. And same with the back skirt. The back of the arm has beam saber holder, whereas the Repair 2 does not. And it has the elongated shoulder armor. And moving on to the swords. The original has a silver blade, and the R2 has a green clear plastic blade. And I have to say that this is probably the coolest looking blade I've ever seen. Even cooler than the GN Sword 3. Okay, in order to put the armor on, start down here at the feet. You just pull the foot off. Pull this ankle armor off. Remove the shin. Get the new shin. Plug it in. Get the ankle armor. Put it back. Put the foot back in. For the thigh armor, you just take it off, get the new one, line it up, the new one fits on a lot tighter than the old one. For the back skirt, you just take off the old one, so a long little peg right there. Get the new one, connect it, and finally the arm. Now you're going to take this entire arm off, including the little piece in the chest. So take it off. Get the new arm and just plug it in the hole. And there you go. For the sword, you're just gonna take off the shield part, get the new blade, plug it in right where the old one was, and there you have it. After you apply all the parts, what you get is an extremely cool looking Exia Repair 2. Final thoughts. The Robot Damashii Exia Repair 2 parts are a really good add-on set for the Gundam Exia. But I cannot recommend it unless you are an extremely die-hard fan of the Repair 2, because this thing goes for extremely high prices on the secondhand market, and I've seen it for $150 on eBay before, and it's just not worth that kind of asking price. If you can find it for around $50, I'd say go ahead and pick it up, but that's not likely to happen unless you get really lucky like I did. And I found it on eBay with a big set of other figures, 3 different 00s, Reborns, Exia, GN Sword 3, O-Riser, and this. I got all of those for $300. So I got extremely lucky finding this one with that set. But if you really need the Exia Repair 2 and don't want to spend upwards of $100 getting it, I suggest getting the high grade. It's only about $18 plus shipping. So that'd probably be your best bet to get this form of Exia. So with that, I'll see you at the next review.